Haven't done a video in a hot minute, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox this Active. That's the French side pressure washer. This is the VE 2.5 kit or whatever. I think it says it's somewhere on here. Maybe not. But yeah, they are about to come out with the 3. But for someone like me who's gonna use it for basically this stuff, the driveway or garage, the car, probably the house, siding and all that good stuff, this is gonna be good enough for me for a while. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this. I got on the Black Friday sale. I got this, and then I got the swivel gun too. I can't live without the swivel gun. I saw people using it, I saw them using it, and I just love the fact that it never tangled because the gun swiveled with the hose. For a couple summers there, I did some pressure washing for some extra money, and it was always a big pain in the ass when I would get tangled from the own wand, so I knew I needed that. So anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Probably see that guy and these two running around. She's just 11 weeks old, so can't have her on the invisible fence system quite yet. We got our tie up. But first things first, we got a box inside a box. So that's kind of cool. Take the box out. So the box that was inside the box is labeled VE 2.5, VE25 or whatever, or 52. Wait, what? Whatever. But anyways, this is what we got here. Some manuals. Got all technical specs. Just look on their website. I'm pretty sure it's all on there, but I'll leave that here for a hot second. Oh man, forget the term for this. This is some nice hose. There's some coarse threaded hose or whatever. Braided. I think this is more heavy duty. Nylon maybe? I don't know. This is good stuff. I'm sure it's on their website, whatever their hose is made out of, but yeah. Definitely good stuff. That to the side. A bunch of accessories, tips. I forget what comes in the full kit. I have to put it up on the screen here. Yeah, this is a full kit. They do sell the pressure washer alone, but figured, get all of it. This is the wand that's included in it. It's pretty decent wand, lightweight. Not bad. Oh. There it goes. Okay. Ugh. Yeah, it's good luck. Alright, anyways, moving on. This is, I guess, well, obviously it's the plug-in adapter guy. Not 100% sure exactly how this works. It's just a holder, and obviously you can put your tips there. We'll watch some videos and see exactly what this is. Maybe I'll report back. Oh, hey doggies. Mounts to something, that's for dang sure. Slides in here. What is this? This is a little foam cannon guy. Forgot this is included. It's nice of them. Little instructions here. Alright. Well, this is obviously the power cord. It's obviously attached. Anything else? Let's see. We got the wand extender, I assume. Right. Let's see. I think that's it. And now, let's pull this bad boy out. Here it is. It's VE52. Maybe I've been A little dyslexic, reading it backwards this entire time. 52, not 2.5. Whatever. Obviously, it's where the water goes in. Pressure washer line comes out. Oh, water outlet. Interesting. Never had one with that before. No. I'm an idiot. You know what? Whatever. We're just going to leave that in. But yeah, it seems pretty neat. So on the side here, for the accessories, it has a little clip thing there. So that's where that goes. Makes it kind of look a little funky, but easy storage for when you're not using it. Plug it in there. Or rest it there. Yeah, this thing's pretty neat. Pretty lightweight. Unfortunately, while it is a beautiful 36 degrees out today in Ohio, you can see it is 5:30, 5:42, and it's pitch black outside. And by nighttime it'll be 30 degrees, so I do have my water shut off. So unfortunately, can't use this anytime soon. But I do look forward to using it. I think it's gonna be neat. I'm gonna figure out these little accessories here. I'll show one more video with everything on it and call it a day. That's basically what it's supposed to look like at the end of the day. This little guy holds the wand. Excuse me. Another guy holds the bottle. This is your cord wraps around there. This is the best I could do. It's kind of cold out. It's hard to work it. That's as tight as I could get it. So it's fine. It is what it is. And then the pressure washer guy goes back here. If you look at the pictures online, they don't have these things in here, but like they look like they should go in there, so I put them in there as best as I can. So who knows? And then the little extender guy goes up here. And I guess we'll do a quick little unboxing of this guy. Probably not much to it. Yep, not a whole lot to it. Pre-installed quick components, features, words. Take it out. Maybe. Oh. Please. There we go. Oh man. This thing's heavy. Oh. That's good stuff. Yeah. I'm definitely looking forward to using this. I'm going to use both just for the sake of comparison. That main guy and that guy. This guy, I don't really know where I'm going to end up putting it. Maybe I'll just take the bottle off and put it here. Or, hey, look at that. That works. So now, until some other time, we're just going to put you here. And that is where you shall sit until warmer times. Hopefully sooner. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. Apologize for the voice. Getting over a little cold thing here. Hopefully I'm done. Hopefully today's my last day. I'm getting sick of it. No pun intended. Anyways, see you guys next time.